What is car warrior ban? You say baby an odia.
Yeah, come make we chill, small. Dream TV for your mind. From Kasoa inside, the place feel proper. Authentic vibes, no long Asia. Come join the family inside the living room.
Inside the living room.
Where big dreams, where we the chair go blue.
Dream TV the ebusia for mo akwa beba another episode on the living room. The real talk, the real laugh, the real time sunye. And as ya ba say ba between komo na and as Mr. Aka video bi a yebe di komo yi na sa na yebe di video no komo no. No me guest bi anu ma ne na yebe twetwe video no komo. Bakọ ne nkyɛn na makɔda no adi akyerɛ etiefoɔ na afei mo ahu nipa a mene no ebedi ndwa. Nti mesrɛ wo wobasoa na wa like, wa share, wa comment, na wa subscribe. Sɛ ne bɛyɛ a dan na me post video a obeye bi ahwɛ ɛwɔ hɔ no. Nti kamo abra me kɔda ɛyɛ na badwafoɔ adi. How did I say sister? Why first so?
Oh, thank you.
Akwaba. Apunse.
I'm okay.
Otwa de mu ye.
Pacho.
Na me ka fanti na ka what before send do do.
Pacho.
Okay, na ahwɛfoɔ I ready I the living room so. And then you say ya betwetwe komo me saka video bi. Me no betwetwe video no komo. Enche the video no beto so. Na asa na yɛbɛkɔ akɔhwɛ video no pɛ sɛ womba odi enkyerɛ mahwɛfoɔ na muhu sɛ the person is named Nejudman. Actually, when we say one mama from hey, sabi hey, enye nipa di.
Hey, so I'm young Ria.
Young
Ria.
Ria. Okay. Ebusafo mo fan cheme we no free UK buy enche. O hwese na we jani afu na fa no young Ria. Young Ria. Nti bro for some any day and then no baka bro for pa. Nti no aya na ma temasi na me bro for no me kono American nigga. Yeah. Nti wan hwa no wan tin kase wi. Me a wotimi ke mo so for bakope na na o mensa abrompa. We share abonta be tra from the bullet na mama o two. Na mo no we trick boy. That make I say express media college na so na some media bro. So person we do TV so radio so person we camera handling editing bibia person we central express media college say bra na me gentiti o mo ka so a lawyer panting kono so. Omo ne masala chi na na ebo nhwe ni na we tra from 24 numbers na e rule o screen this no na fe o no mo atwetwe enkomo. Express media college I say excellence is our pride. Etosa e dia fro. Efe kamo na yakwohwe video no na ya ba na yɛde ho nkɔmmɔ.
Una ejesi na lab test DNA. Okwifu obodo abụ Nigeria. Ka ị na-eje DNA. N'obodo. N'ụlọ ọgwụ obodo. Even if it's on lab, both local and foreign, you can go to lab test in overseas. They tell you they see nothing that is happening to you, but you are sick. And you come to Nigeria lab, they will give you another name of your sickness. You go to another lab, they will give you another name of your sickness. You go to another lab, those lab people will tell you they see nothing. These people get a trust and when you get DNA.
Yo, ebusiafo video na yɛkɔhwɛ ya yasan yaba. Mamenda wase sɛ wogye brɛ na wokɔhwɛ video no na afei wagye brɛ so na yɛbɛtwe nkɔmmɔ. Mesrɛ wo, aya na wode wo comment, wode aba, wode wo likes, mane ensu mame, wa subscribe, wa share ama afoforo na afei afoforo so enya bi ahwɛ your number one show. Come on, wabɛ ko to twin nkɔmmɔ. Young Ria, welcome once again.
Thank you.
Thank you. I hope you watch the video.
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes.
So this is the video. The video is about DNA. There is a certain prophet or Nigeria, a friend, Prophet Odumija. Prophet Odumija. Or say DNA it's not part of Nigeria's their culture, so they should abolish that. They should avoid it. The fact that what sika akọware ọbani there pregnancy be a baby piano, you have to take the responsibility whether you like it or not because you have paid the bride pride of that particular woman, so you have to accept any pregnancy. Per this video or when this video pops up, people are making some comments. There are a lot of comments. Others are disagree with that. Others too, they agree with it. So right now, you two, I want to know what's your thoughts. How do you do you also agree with the prophet or you disagree with him?
Partly I agree, partly I disagree.
So meaning
I am
50-50.
yeah.
So before that, let's talk about the positive side first, or positive aspect first. You said you agree
Yes.
partly, and partly you disagree.
Yes.
Why do you agree?
Because so far as you've married her, you have shown that you trust her enough to get married to her and you love her. So why the need for a testing that the child is yours or it's not yours?
So we are in Ghana. Yeah, okay,
It's a
I
Nigerian
understand.
something.
Yes, I understand. Say
It's not their culture.
you are that's not their culture, right? And what is Kawari Obano? You say baby I know there.
It should be yours.
But you know that cheating el honum.
Yes.
So what if say
But it means that if you accept the DNA, it means you are like you have the thing in mind that she can cheat.
okay.
Yes.
So now what can positive aspects, you know?
Yes.
Let's talk about the negative
As you
aspect.
said, if women say now that oh we all agree that DNA is not necessary, people will cheat. You know, there are two types of people in this world. There are people that no matter what you do, like they will do whatever they want.
And before a man will plan for DNA test, meaning that man that like he don't trust
His wife.
his partner.
Yes.
You get it? That's why he will call for, or he will plan for DNA test. All because you see, girls of today, no, cheating, you know, are very common. Obi to me war but pan akwala ni akwala is a China ni. The child for example a Chinese man. They have a catch or say that's your child.
But there is a saying that Nipa didn't say.
Nipa didn't say, okay,
Yeah.
we are, I think we are in Ghana here. When some video pops up, you get it. Ghana for me no more Japan was a Chinese in Yakwala. So yes, the Bema is yen ba Obana say ba. But DNA ebe me no a prove say.
Yes, we know DNA tells the truth.
Yes.
But sometimes you waste your money because sometimes Akalano will say, oh, Babaka ko checking, then it's your child.
And that one there,
Then it's an energy, a time wasted, and you are shown how like you don't trust your wife. You're trying to say your wife is not trustworthy.
me no I come there. I believe and like agree with the pastor say DNA dear.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because you see, utumisha akwala ni be you know na akwala na say mama na beka chiro say akwala no kra enye oba. That's not your biological child. That's why into yes so you prefer say DNA no yeah.
But it's not our culture.
It's not our culture.
Yeah.
But cheating too is it our culture?
No, that one is not about
Oh
culture.
god damn it. Cheating is not our culture. DNA too is not our culture. But to prove say you are the real father of that child, or you are the real father of that pregnancy, that's why we prefer DNA because or baby will to musa mere amenity kwa dear.
But why would you put it in your head in the first place that she can cheat? Like you are suspecting
Trust
her.
no man. It is in the Bible.
Then why did you marry her if you don't trust her?
Why did you see sometimes after marriage, you know, and as a number ways you. Besides, you see, there Emma almost DNA eta bim pan say maybe biana akolano oyare and ohia blood.
The blood.
Yes. Now of course who could donate blood at the amana.
Yeah.
That be where I'm going to say no me blood and it mankasa akolana yes me ankasa me bam. Your blood it doesn't match. You get it? A one and may say no. So this things are like happening every day, every time, every month, every week, every hour, every single minute, seconds. You get it? So me dear me prophet na agree. It's actually for what also share now the comment about if you agree with the pastor and I say we agree with one in agree so for comment because you see DNA it's not part of their what culture and Nigerians should what avoid it or abolish it because so what is kind of worry about nkwa dia yin say bia baby na ye odia enti young rea mati sika abaware wo na mene wo en have affair bia na wakwanyem aba.
But definitely if you get married to me definitely do something.
Ewom sa bia na sa month na wo bakaya sa wonyem sa time no maybe na my two kwan kra ya kwa me buy e bia 2 months
Yeah,
many.
it
Na
happens. It
you
happens.
say no so ya kwa check no. Na almost 6 months.
It happens.
And no so esa say
But
ba worry when you na majana.
you see, sometimes there are reasons why people do some things.
Mhm.
Maybe when you left her, she needed attention, something popped up. So I'm not saying you are justifying her cheating, but like she needed something. Yeah.
You needed something. And kwa na me koye no, maybe adwuma sem na de me koye, and I will not stay there forever.
You see,
Definitely, I'll come back.
some
And you
people
know,
can be
so
pleased.
if you are a marriage wife or a wedded wife, let's say, me took quite 2 months. Now you can't control your feelings. Let's say you will cheat on me. What are you trying to tell me?
I said I'm not justifying the fact that she cheated,
Mhm.
but you see, we are human. We make mistakes.
You make mistakes.
Yes.
So me, dear, I don't support teaching as cheating as mistake. No, never. How can you cheat? You see, it's your own mindset. You decide. No, I will cheat because one can say a mistake now. Me cheat here.
But you see, the thing is, she always has a reason. Like even if it's a male who has cheated, he has a reason why he cheated.
You see, you can't say it's a male because even it is in the Bible say as a man you can marry as many as you want if only obedi nukre amomunia.
I thought that one was the Islam.
Islam. No, it is in the Bible too.
Mm.
And besides, man, yes, men,
You know that saying too, like I'm disagreeing with it because
why?
men will take it as this one, then they will cheat on their women, their wives. And a woman is so passionate that I don't know. I see that the male side, if a woman goes to cheat, it's hard for the man to forgive and
Mhm,
forget per se.
mhm.
But the lady, she can say, "Oh, he's my husband. Like we are working things out, so I'll forgive him."
You see, if a man is like if a man married two women
Yes,
on him say we married we so married it's when you ma me na me ne name we so ma
yes,
na me ne name
yes.
na say oba ware mema tu na we yim na when you ma we dia na say we
But
dia.
so far as it's something legal that
Mhm,
I have married both of them,
mhm.
they can both agree that any child that comes is for the both of
So
you.
in future no or akwala no obekọ hwan ebusu.
That thing, it doesn't matter. That's why they agreed to marry three. Though it's not our culture. You know, in the Western side, they do it. Right now, they have the freedom to marry anything they want,
So
anybody.
that's why I agree with the pastor because wobɛhwɛ akwalaa biara na akwalaa no bɛn yɛwɔ Ghana ha o yɛtete nsɛm bebree celebrate si wei no you get it.
Yes.
So me deɛ 100% me ne yɛ adwene sɛ
But
deɛ ne deɛ ka bɛrima biara nka ne pɛpɛ mu anka wɔyere nyima sɛ wɔyɛ deɛ
why me?
yes also ye DNA. You see, there's difference. Maybe worry no na wo ba dada. That one is normal. And
Yes.
no me and me who say wo ba na me say me dey me worry. That one is normal.
Yes.
And also say me ati sika akọ worry. Na wa kwanyem na akola ne baba na nya me ba. That one is that's also different thing.
Yes.
You get it? And you know say we be ma na wo ni oba bi eti na yin si aba na wo hwe na yin si no won ti ase ya best solution is say ukakwa DNA.
Hmm.
Ukakwa DNA. Me suffer no me ne ya adwen because DNA no say DNA every system no mu a nkrofo bebre be hwe nkrofo ba.
Yes. That one is there.
Yes,
That one is
you
there.
get it.
Yes.
Yes. So we are bringing the show to an end. Your last words for your viewers. Then you say big shout outs to one or two people that you know.
Yes. So I'm going to say that, like the introduction of DNA, it wasn't supposed to make everything so hard for married women. It's supposed to justify the fact that the child it belongs to your husband. So I'm not saying you should cheat, but we can try to, you understand, make sure that our husband's children are our husband's children.